Leigh-on-Mendip. Leigh-on-Mendip is a small village on the Mendip Hills in Somerset, England. It lies roughly equidistant from Frome, Radstock and Shepton Mallet at about 5 miles from each town. The village has several sporting clubs, including cricket, shortmat bowls and table tennis. There is a first school. History. The name of this village is pronounced Leigh by local residents rather than Lee, and probably comes from the Old English meaning grove glade. The estate formed part of the manor and liberty of Mells and was held by Glastonbury Abbey from Saxon times until the dissolution of the monasteries. It then passed to the Horner family. The parish was part of the hundred of Frome. On the 19th of June 1643 the village was the site of a skirmish in the English Civil War, between Royalist regiment of Sir James Hamilton and the parliamentary forces under Major Francis Duet. Some dwellings in Leigh-on-Mendip parish are close to the Halcombe limestone quarry. The quarry exhibits pale to dark grey well-bedded Carboniferous limestone. There are abundant near-vertical fissures and joints in the limestone with varying amounts of calcite mineralization and tufa growth around. Groundwater seepages. Quarrying activity was initiated at the time of the Second World War. It is now owned by Anglo-American. A History of Leigh-on-Mendip was web-published in February 2007. In 2007 Leigh-on-Mendip was chosen as the Cala Somerset Village of the Year. Leigh-on-Mendip was home to the television presenter Kevin MacLeod, whom is known best from the UK television series Grand Designs. Governance. The parish council has responsibility for local issues, including setting an annual precept to cover the council's operating costs and producing annual accounts for public scrutiny. The parish council evaluates local planning applications and works with the local police, district council officers, and neighborhood watch groups on matters of crime, security, and traffic. The parish council's role also includes initiating projects for the maintenance and repair of parish facilities, as well as consulting with the district council on the maintenance, repair, and improvement of highways, drainage, footpaths, public transport, and street cleaning. Conservation matters and environmental issues are also the responsibility of the council. The village falls within the non-metropolitan district of Mendip, which was formed on 1 April 1974 under the Local Government Act 1972, having previously been part of Frome Rural District, which is responsible for local planning and building control, local roads, council housing, environmental health, markets and fairs, refuse collection and recycling, cemeteries and crematoria, leisure services, parks, and tourism. Somerset County Council is responsible for running the largest and most expensive local services such as education, social services, libraries, main roads, public transport, policing and fire services, trading standards, waste disposal and strategic planning. It is also part of the Somerset and Frome County constituency represented in the House of Commons of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. It elects one member of Parliament by the first-past-the-post system of election, and part of the South West England constituency of the European Parliament, which elects 7 MEPs using the DONT method of party list. Proportional representation. Religious sites. The parish church of St Giles dates from around 1350, and was rebuilt around 1500. It is a Grade 1 listed building, with an unusual faceless clock. There used to be a Methodist chapel in the village, however this is now a private house.